Hi everyone, Brent here. Today we're out at the flying field for a bunch of tests. First thing we're going to do is test our new landing gear design. We cut off the foam struts that we had on there and made these nice little metal landing gear and put some coils in there to help absorb a lot of shot and also cut down on a ton of wind resistance. So that ought to soften up our landings, especially the hard ones, and make it probably track a bit better, I think, on the takeoff run, and definitely be kind of cool. Try a couple touch and goes with those at some point, but we're going to try to first off make sure everything's flying good, test out those landing gear and what it looks like when it lands, and then we're going to attach this glider to the top of the Mark 8 2G, and we're going to release that, and if we get lucky with everything, turn on our onboard video. Let's go ahead and do that. We have flashing, that's onboard video is on. Okay. On the motor. Motor's armed. Controls are attached on and responsive. They are on full throws. If we get lucky with that, glider release, might even try my paratrooper here. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Everything's firmly attached. The wind, as we can tell by our wind speed and direction indicator, is really blowing really good today. Takeoffs ought to be pretty short. I like the new landing gear. They're very shock absorbing and forgiving, I'm sure. A lot of wind out there today. Get her up in the air. Get her up there. Wow, it's really acting kind of squirrely on me there. See if I can get her all trimmed out here. No, it's really squirrely. Where's our up elevator at? There we go. Up elevator. Let's trim her off for yeah, there we go. It's kind of going to the left, right. What was it doing? Let's see. We're just we got the up-down trim going pretty good. Not bad. Yes, kind of going, banking left. So we trim that out. That could be the wind there. Alright, not bad. Looks pretty decent. See how our trim is. A lot of up elevator right there, possibly. One notch down, another notch down. That's probably the wind making it go that way. That looks pretty decent. Kind of working with the wind. Alright, good deal. Looks pretty good. Nice level flight. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's try out these landing gear. I need to cut a little more throttle there, but hey, wow, those landing gears seem to absorb a whole lot of shock there and make the landings a little easier. I just got to practice on setting them down just a little bit easier than that. Let's see here. I don't know if with all this wind, if it's going to be able to lift that that glider up there. Unhook that battery a second. Power's unhooked. And check that prop for tightness. Make sure that thing's still super tight. Yes, it is. Good deal. Okay, that looks good. Went pretty well. Let's do a, see if we can get a little bit softer landing than that. Boy, that wind's really whipping. Let's see if this thing's going to track all right. Wow, a lot of wind out there today. I wonder if given enough runway, if this thing will just lift on its own. See how our control surfaces look. Control rods look good. Controls are attached and responsive. Here we go. Now she's flying pretty straight and level there, kind of going weather vaning a little bit because of the wind is super strong today. All right, here we go. A lot of wind, a lot of wind, a lot of wind. Whoop, set her down in the grass. That was getting a little crazy there with all that wind. Yeah, she's trying to take off by herself now. A lot of wind out there today, holy cow. We can make it over the light post. Yeah, there we go. Okay. I'm going to do our approaches from over there. It was a little easier from over there the other day. Oh, that was not a good one. Okay. Wow, having a hard time putting her on the ground good. That wind's just crazy today. Get her back up there. Wow, that wind's really messing with it. We running out of power or what? I know we caught a wing. I see control surfaces flapping. That wind's just really messing with it.